Monkey Island, right?
Monkey Island.
Aber wir haben die Tomaten vergessen.
So,
Und du hast die dabei? Ja, macht mal schöne Bilder.
Ja, ich bin
Ja, pack mal dein Handy ganz weit weg. Soll ich es einstecken?
Nice, yeah.
Ja, du hast noch den Bauch.
Proyectala nunca aquí. Ah. Proyectala nunca aquí.
hola.
Ja, wirklich gut. Das sind ja Lärm.
Lovely. Yes. But you can go to the front. That's slowly.
Mira, ahí está. No, quiere la foto.
Yes, that's better. You can show more view.
El teléfono me puede tomar nada.
Buddy, can you filming? There is no. There is on it the video. Just move it. You can make video. Yes, show the around. How beautiful. Joyful.
Una fotito nada más, por favor, con el grupo, con toda la marcha. No está confundido el teléfono.
Muchas gracias.
Ahí está. Perfecto. Y Monkey Business, ¿dónde está Monkey Business?
los monos.
Los monos.
Ahí estamos. Dice mi
No, ya, como bonito. Monkey Business.
now you can see it's very higher the level of the lake.
Okay.
It's higher now. During the dry season, it's like 1 meter approximately.
Oh.
And sometimes it's 30 centimeters deep. It's difficult sometimes to go by boat. It's higher. We can see many people living here. The local people live here at Port Island.
Wow.
And most of the island belong to rich people from different countries. They have
Really?
beautiful house
Wow.
for vacation.
Rich and famous.
Yes.
Doesn't matter.
And rich people from Nicaragua, Velas, Valtoranos, the last
Oh.
name.
Flor de caña.
Flor de Caña, yes, they have.
Yeah, if the rich people come and they gonna make messy anywhere they go, they spend the money, they make messy the beauty everywhere, all around the world. They make same thing. You know, don't you guys allow it. You know, they kick them out. You know, otherwise is it will be building around.
Now most of the people, the local people, live in the mainland or some other in Grenada because they saw the island.
O sea, este es el lago de Nicaragua. Y en el lago de Nicaragua hay tiburón.
Sí, ahora pues puede ser que haya todavía porque hay pescadores que están en campo, buscando de otras culturas y empieza una red con
della bella Italia.
Hay mucho, anteriormente en los 80 había muchos negocios rurales. Empezaron a cazar los reyes de la boca del río, río Juan, había reyes que iban entrando al lago y daban atrapados porque they are not native in fresh water. O sea, they come from the inside. Now they claim the river, Tamar River. Tamar River has like double.
The germs, I guess they got from the side, the plastic side, right? The Caribbean, they access into the river. They heal. The Managua and Canagua. No. But now in the river, there's a river. One part of the river is dry, no water. No water now because the lake is full. So, and this is not considered one part. This is not considered rock. Now we cannot see it properly. But as you see this, we can see it. We can see Masaya volcano. That is the smoke from Masaya.
Ah, that's okay. All countries
2016
here, no?
it was very active and we can see the camps right now from the lake, the lava, the magma was higher.